Hello and welcome. A bit of a different one today. I wanted to see if I could bring my wife camping. She's not really keen on camping, so I was trying to think about how I could possibly camp with my wife. So what I found is this shepherd's hut behind me. You can see that. So this will be her first taste of camping. She likes the finer things in life. Nice hotels, things like that, living in the city. And tonight we're going to be camping in this shepherd's hut with Shiwang, of course, and see how we get on. We're going to have a campfire, hopefully cook some food. It's basically a house that's in renovation, so there's things everywhere, outdoor toilet, outdoor washing up, so it's going to be fun, and it's in the beautiful Cotswolds. It'll be time to get the fire going soon. Let's have a look at where we're camping tonight. This is glamping. It's been very cozy in here. I'm sure my wife's going to love it. Little heater on, it's all insulated. Some fresh fruit there. I wonder what we're going to be like in this little shepherd's hut. First night camping with my wife. I hope she likes it. It's definitely different. The last glow of the sunset. So it should be quite cozy here in the shepherd's hut tonight, with the fire going. The old-fashioned way. So for dinner we're going to cook beef lasagna and macaroni cheese. But how do you cook this on a fire? So I'm just putting them on top of the stove and then putting these on top. Hopefully that will keep some heat into the top, but we'll wait and see. I think that will work better with the pan like that. That'll make it like an oven. Look at that. It's baked. Bubbling through. And the macaroni cheese baking in there, bubbling away. So you can cook this on the stove. Dinner is served. boiled on the fire after about 1 hour. Get it to be good. It's too hot by the fire. It's boiling. You gonna sleep by the fire tonight? What do you think? Is that the shepherd's dog, isn't he?
Can you hear the wind?
I know. I'm glad I'm in this shepherd's hut rather than a tent.
I hope it won't be blown off.
No.
Do you think you can do bad life?
I don't think it's real life.
Why not?
Well, it's sort of, it's like a permanent holiday, isn't it?
But that's their lifestyle.
I know, but it's like, the thing is with a holiday, it's not a holiday if you do it every day.
No, they don't treat it as a holiday. They live there, so their lives there, as their house.
Yeah, I think it's more fun if you do it for a week and then go back to a real house.
I don't know. It's not for me. For me, this is just a short break. I can just do it for a couple of nights. That's it.
If you're doing it all the time, it wouldn't be fun, would it? That's why my camping is fun, because it's just like a one night here, one night there. But it's not like every day. But if it was every day, it would just be boring after a while. Do you want to go out, Xiwang? Come on then. Let's put the light on. There.
Just leave.
Let's go, then we're going over there to the dark house. We're going here. Let's go in here first. Come on, Xiwang. So this is the what's this called? Hold it. This is the fridge. We have access to the fridge. All the things in there. Okay, we're walking to the house. It's really muddy underfoot here. Okay, so I'm going first. You're going first. This is the house. And this is where the Wi-Fi signal is. The Wi-Fi. So we come here for Wi-Fi. Go on then, but don't eat anything.
小秀，小秀。It's our new living room.
Good boy. He doesn't really want to go in, but Good night. So let's explore the house. Come on. So let's go up these rickety stairs. There's lots to do still. Oh, there's a bed in here. Lovely fireplace. And here's the other bedroom. So old. This house is 17th century. So it's, you can see the beams. Ancient. It's got a lovely view. And then it's got a third bedroom. Up these rickety old stairs. Stairs are quite lethal, look. Come on, Shiwan. Hey. Lethal stairs. No handrail. Got a lot of work to do in this. A lot. This is a little washing up area, and got a kettle as well. So, nice cup of tea. So it's been a lovely night here in this shepherd's hut. Feels like a van life video in a way, but it is camping in a way, isn't it? Because you've got separate showers, you've got a separate kitchen, you've got to go between different buildings, but really quiet, a little bit of rain, but comfortable night, very warm because I kept the wood burner on the whole night. Just a little bit ticking away, that was still throwing out heat. Even went out with Shiwong, I know, about 5 in the morning, put another log on the fire, then it was still going, smouldering away, still giving out heat. It was lovely and warm. This has got a heated blanket on here, so we were too warm. A bit of rain, and just again, just like camping, the best thing is waking up in the morning and come on, Shiwong, here he is. The best thing really is waking up in the morning, isn't it? Of a nice sunrise, beautiful sunrise, the sound of the birds, you know, the great outdoors. Yeah, so really nice. So I'm just hoping we're here for one more night. So it's 2 nights in this shepherd's hut. I'm just hoping that my wife really enjoys it, so we can do more camping adventures, because he loves camping, don't you, Shiwan? Hmm? You love camping. I love camping, so we need Mummy to love camping too. You want to come down? Shiwang, do you want to come down? Come on then. Shiwang, come. Good boy. Shiwang, you gonna go to sleep again? Do you like it staying in the shepherd's hut? So it's going dark, as you can see. It's our second night here, losing the light behind me, but tonight I'm going to have a real fire on this fire pit, so I'll show you, and I'm going to cook a spit roasted peri peri chicken. So it's going to be lovely camping food tonight, probably the biggest meal I've cooked while camping. What do you think, Shiwang? We're going to have a good night, aren't we? Come on. So on the menu tonight is this Piri Piri spatchcock chicken. So I'm going to get it on the fire and get it started. Doing a treat now. My first spit roasted chicken cooked on a fire. Real camping food. And I've got the frying pan on there. I'm just going to cook some chips in a minute. Get that going. Some thick cut chips. Browning nicely. Okay, it's ready now. I made some mushrooms. I've put the chicken into two so that made sure it's cooked through. Chips are perfectly done, all browned. Yeah, so now it's time to serve this feast. Half chicken, chips, chunky chips. This is better than going to the pub. Piri Piri chicken cooked on the fire with chips and mushrooms, and then some salad as well.
Chicken is cooked. Very tasty.
It's smoky, isn't it?
I think better than Nando's. It's very successful.
Thank you.
Thank you for your hard work. Oh, you're very brave. Cooking outdoor in the dark and chopping wood and making fires, lit fires, and make sure the chicken is well cooked.
Well, it's fun, isn't it? Because when you're camping, it's like going back to the old days. So cooking on a fire, and it's how people used to cook years ago, isn't it? And it takes time. It's slow, but then you've got more time, haven't you? Because you're not watching TV like in the old days. There's not much to do, is it? Plus, it tastes better on the fire, and it's a skill as well that I'm sort of learning. You know, because it's not like you can just turn the gas up and that down, is it? You've got to feed the fire and trying to keep consistent temperature in the fire. So what do you think? Have you enjoyed camping this weekend?
Just 2 days, 2 nights. Just different. We just experience. But if you ask me if I could live in a shepherd's hut, I'm not ready yet.
No. It's like a lifetime experience, isn't it?
Yeah.
Time to get this fire going now. One fire outside. Need a fire indoors as well. Well, good morning, and nice cup of tea to start the day. It's a lovely peaceful night again. Just starting to pack things away, and then we're going to head home. So it's been a lovely break. I think it has been quite challenging for my wife, but I think she will definitely remember this one, and I think she'll say afterwards she's enjoyed it. She has said she's looking forward to going home, but you know, we all look forward to going home after being sort of camping or maybe not quite as comfortable as we would normally be, and then we appreciate our home comforts more when we get home. So I think she has really enjoyed it, and it's definitely been a different one and a different break with Shiwang again. Lovely food, cooking on the fire, cooking on the stove, cozy nights, and also we didn't really watch any sort of TV or social media or anything. It was, the Wi-Fi is really bad, and I suppose we spent more time doing things together, so that's why it's good to take a break like this and just be slightly disconnected. So I want to thank you all for watching this. Thanks so much for your lovely comments. I was blown away for all the support in the last video. Just amazing, and it was just, we've got such lovely people who watch these videos and comment. It really does encourage me to do more and hopefully make better videos and just enjoy getting outside and going on day trip adventures and just doing things, I know, slightly different from the daily grind. So anyway, thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you soon. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified when videos come, and press the like button. So thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.